Today, we'll be diving into a monumental development in Ghana's road infrastructural journey. This is set to reshape the nation's landscape and also drive economic progress. The Ghanaian government has unveiled a plan to invest a staggering 13.8 billion Ghana cedi in road infrastructural projects over the next 2 years. This is a bold initiative, which is known as the Big Push. It is a construction project that pledges a commitment to connectivity, growth and prosperity for every Ghanaian. So in this video, we'll be exploring the details of this 13.8 billion Ghana cedi program that the government of Ghana is embarking on and how it aligns with Ghana's broader economic vision. So buckle up as we take a deep dive through this big push agenda and also how it will be providing routes that will pave the way for a better Ghana. As always, before we get into it, please hit the like button to inform others and subscribe to this channel. Also, showing your support, hit the bell notification. Now let's get into it. At the heart of this transformative agenda, which is the Big Push initiative, is a flagship program designed to accelerate Ghana's infrastructural development. During the 2025 mid-year fiscal policy review, the finance minister shared a brilliant vision. He shared that government had allocated 13.8 billion Ghana cedi, which is equivalent to 1% of the nation's GDP, going into the transformation of Ghana's road infrastructure. This was news to a lot of Ghanaians, because the substantial investment funded through oil revenues and mineral royalties was not very well advertised. But here I am with an information for my viewers. The project is set to underscore Ghana's commitment, leveraging its natural resources for sustainable development due to the fact that the oil revenue is what is funding the road infrastructure. That sums it up. The minister also emphasized that every cedi allocated under this initiative for the next 2 years will be dedicated exclusively to improving the nation's road infrastructure, making it a cornerstone of Ghana's economic transformation strategy. So for most thinking, what Ghana's President John Mahama is going to focus on, you have it is road infrastructure, already allocated a 13.8 billion Ghana cedi to it. The Big Push is a strategic effort to open up economic corridors. It will be enhancing regional connectivity and also laying the foundation for long-term development. By prioritizing the routes, the government will be addressing one of the most critical needs of its people: reliable transportation infrastructure, supports commerce, education and healthcare access. The minister's insights reveal a forward-thinking approach where infrastructure is seen as a catalyst for economic empowerment and national unity. The planning behind this initiative was very thorough. The Ministries for Roads and Highways conducted an exhaustive 6-month nationwide assessment to identify priority areas. This was followed by detailed engineering designs and cost estimates, ensuring that every project is well prepared and ready for execution. The Finance Ministry has already issued commitment authorizations for multiple road projects across the country, signaling that work is set to begin in its earnest. The level of preparation reflects that this government is not only looking at the vision, but is also going to do it, judging from the $13.8 billion already allocated. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the transformative projects which is under the Big Push agenda. The government has identified a range of initiatives that will enhance connectivity across Ghana's region. One of the standout projects is the construction of the new bridge over the Oti River at Dambai. This will improve access to communities in the Oti region. And also another critical effort is the rehabilitation of the Wahan Road, a vital link for trade and travel in Upper West region. The upgrading of the Tumu Hamuli and also Tumu Han Lora roads. It will also further boost connectivity in the area, fostering economic activities in the northern parts of the country. Other notable projects include the reconstruction of the Navongo-Tumu Road, also the rehabilitation of the Techiman Inkosia Wenchi and also Wenchi Solar Roads, the construction of the Sunyane Outer Ring Road and also the Kumase Outer Ring Road. The Bintri Road is also set for rehabilitation. All this will be ensuring better access for communities in the northeast region of Ghana. These projects are not just about laying the asphalt. As the government has stated, it's about creating a lifeline that connects the rural areas to urban centers, enabling the farmers to reach markets, the students also to reach schools, and businesses boom in those regions. Because once the connectivity is simplified, it enables easier access for everyone. The minister also highlighted a commitment to reviving the abandoned projects, such as the Kaswa Winiba Road, the Ofanhua Sawam Road, which was transformed into a dual carriageway, and also the Takradi Aguna Junction Road. These are being prioritized for rehabilitation and upgrading. The construction of the Swami Interchange and local roads, as well as the upgrading of the Tumu Navrongo Road with new bridges over the Canterbury rivers. The list is rather extensive, and these efforts demonstrates a resolve to complete what was started, ensuring that no region is left behind in Ghana's developmental journey, which is very commendable. One of the most inspiring aspects of the Big Push agenda is the fact that it is focusing on inclusivity. The government has identified 166 constituencies across Ghana that are in dire need of road infrastructure, and in this brilliant move, the minister announced the plan to rehabilitate 10 kilometers of roads annually in each of these constituencies. Over the next 3 years, this translates to an impressive 5,000 kilometers of reconstructed roads, bringing much relief to the communities that have long been underserved. The initiative is also a testament to the government's commitment to equitable development, that is, ensuring that even the most remote areas benefit from modern infrastructure. This is a targeted approach and is very commendable. Not just about the fixing of the roads, it's about transforming lives in rural areas as well. The improved roads will mean better access to healthcare facilities, and also the travel time for workers will be cut short. There will be new opportunities for local businesses to thrive because of these opportunities. By prioritizing all constituencies, the government is sending a clear message that every Ghanaian deserves to be part of the nation's progress, even though the pacing of the project is very sluggish, if I do say so myself. This ambitious plan is also a bold step towards reducing regional disparities and also fostering national cohesion. Beyond the new construction, the government is taking innovative steps to ensure that there is sustainability of its road network. The finance minister revealed that there is a grand plan to remodel the Ghana Road Fund into a new road maintenance trust fund. This new entity will introduce a modern governance structure, ensuring that fairer allocations to resources and greater transparency in how the funds are utilized. The minister's vision for this fund is very clear. It will provide a reliable mechanism to maintain Ghana's roads, preventing the deterioration that has plagued infrastructure in the past. The move also reflects a forward-thinking approach to infrastructural management, and by establishing a dedicated trust fund, the government will be ensuring that the road maintenance is not an afterthought, but a priority. This initiative is a shining example of how strategic planning can create a lasting impact, and once it's undertaken, we can praise it. The 13.8 billion Ghana cedi investment in road infrastructure is more than just a financial commitment. It's a promise to the Ghanaian people, and will hold the government accountable. The Big Push initiative is set to transform the nation's road network, connect communities, boost economies, and also improve the lives of the people of Ghana. From the new bridges to the rehabilitation of the roads, from urban interchanges to rural pathways, this program is actually a bold step towards a more prosperous and unified Ghana. While details like the project timelines and the contractor information are yet to be shared, the government's vision is very huge. Infrastructure is the backbone of the development of the country, and roads are very huge, likened to arteries that will carry Ghana into the future. The creation of the Road Maintenance Trust Fund will also further ensure that there is investment that will be sustainable, delivering benefits for generations to come. What are your thoughts on Ghana allocating 13.8 billion Ghana cedi to road construction projects dubbed the Big Push? Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hit the like button if you enjoyed, also to inform others, and subscribe to this channel for more content just like this. I'll be keeping you updated. Thank you, and on to the next video. Be sure to check our next video out.